Hello friends, I'm Chris and welcome to our very first unboxing video. After a few months of waiting, finally we have it here. Ta-da! The Apple Pencil 2, iPad Air 4, and Smart Keyboard Folio. This won't be your typical unboxing video kasi nabuksan na siya sa store for warranty purposes. So yeah, I'm just gonna unbox the items for you, show you what's inside, and maybe give you some initial impressions of this product. So let's get into it. First up, the iPad Air 4. I got the 64 gig space gray Wi-Fi only model because I love black, so yeah. Next, we are greeted with the stickers and paperworks showing some new gestures, tips, and how-tos because this one has slightly different Touch ID and design from the previous generation iPad Air. Surprisingly, we got a 20-watt USB-C power charger, woohoo! And the USB-C to USB-C cable for charging and data. Finally, the iPad itself. Here at the bottom back, we have the smart connector for accessories. The initial impression when I first held this is that it's really thin and light and overall a very sleek device. At the top right, we have the new Touch ID integrated with the power button. We also have speaker grills on both sides for audio and the USB-C port at the bottom. On the right side, we have a magnetic strip for the Apple Pencil 2 and the volume buttons, and at the back, we also have a 12 megapixel camera and a mic. The next item we have is the Apple Pencil 2. This is now compatible with the iPad Air 4 and I think that's great. Except sa presyo. Mas mahal siya dun sa previous gen, but I think it's a way more elegant device thanks to its magnetic charging and pairing to the side of the iPad. And yeah, does it justify the price? I don't know, maybe not, but what can we do? Okay, first up, paperworks. As usual. Then the Apple Pencil. It feels really great to hold, maybe because of the texture and these flat sides. I'm pretty sure anyone will be comfortable using this for a long drawing or writing session. And lastly, we have the Smart Keyboard Folio. This is for the iPad Pro pero compatible din siya sa iPad Air 4. Wala talaga akong balak bumili nito pero may nakita ako nagbebenta ng second hand and it's really cheap, so I'm like, okay, let's get it just so the iPad experience is complete. Let's unbox. Removing the cover, we have our keyboard front and center. Of course, the paperworks. And here we are, the keyboard itself. It's a full-size keyboard, the smart connector pins, and some fancy Apple branding. And that's it, nothing else. There you have it, friends. I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and if you want to know more about how I really think and feel about this iPad, kung worth it ba siya bilhin or not, please consider subscribing. I'm gonna use this for a few more weeks and follow up with a review. Thank you so much for your time watching. Hope to see you on the next one. Ingat!